Redis strings are the simplest value type, but they come with a handful of commands that trip people up in code review. In the next few minutes, you will know exactly what to look for. A Redis string is just a named blob of bytes. No type checking, no encoding assumptions. You reach for it when you need a counter, a cached JSON payload, a feature flag, or any value that lives under a single key. Under the hood, append and SETRANGE mutate the strings buffer directly on the server. Watch out for STRLEN with an offset past the current length. Redis fills the gap with 0 bytes, which can silently bloat your value. Let's run this live. We set the key, append to it, then use GETRANGE to slice out substrings by byte offset. STRLEN confirms the total byte length after each mutation. When you review a PR using string commands, the biggest red flag is a get then set pattern in application code, 2 round trips with a race condition between them. Also watch for SETRANGE offsets that overshoot the current length. The core rule: keep mutations on the server. Append and SETRANGE are atomic. A get modify set loop in your app is not. Know your byte offsets and watch the 512 megabyte ceiling.